Your mother and I bought our first house, $3,000. I paid cash for it. She divorced me and took all my money, but you know. I'm like the lower half. You ever seen that movie?
Can you help me zip on my dress? I want to go find that bear.
On his way to steal your girl.
Where the hose at?
What are you doing out here?
This is cold. This is kind of warm though.
Are you good? No! No!
Quite pleasant out here, isn't it?
Well, we're bear hunting today. Archery ended yesterday, and opening day of gun season starts a week from today, so this is that in between. Decided I'd come up and try my luck at some bear. We've got bear up here, but we don't see him very often. We had like one picture of one in September, but that was it, so got a couple buddies up here and we're gonna try to make it happen. Well, it's 8 o'clock and we have not seen anything, not even a deer. I'm not surprised that we're not seeing bear. I'm not expecting to see a single bear all weekend. But at like 7 o'clock, there was a whole bunch of crashing to my left in the swamp. And I thought I heard a snort wheeze, so I think there's probably a buck or maybe a couple buck back in that swamp. Which doesn't surprise me, it's loaded with deer back in there, so. But I at least thought I would see some deer, maybe one or two, just kind of skirting the edges or something, so. Anyway, I'm probably gonna climb down soon, just cause I'm cold and I'm hungry, and I really just used bear hunting as an excuse to come hang out with the guys up at the cabin. So I got my cousin, he's hunting up in the finger, and my friend's hunting back in the ravine. So maybe they've been seeing some deer, I don't know. Maybe we'll see something tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. Stay tuned.
What happened?
When I closed the door, all the snow fell off.
So does it stay, once it's loaded, does it stay loaded?
Yeah, they're still loaded.
Make sure you chew it.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Yeah,
I feel stressed out now. I gotta have a smoke.
I was expecting that to work. You dumb! I was thinking it was gonna blow out the edge of the stick.
We already went over this. I tried to I asked if anyone was home and there's nobody in there.
Oh yeah, I see.
Dude, you guys gotta see this, man. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. Oh, you fell for it. Oh, you.
I got sap on my hands. I'm set up in the swamp tonight. There's always a lot of deer in this area, and a handful of really good bucks have been shot out of this stand. A few years ago, my brother also saw 3 bear out of this stand, 2 in gun season and 1 in archery. So I think this is the best spot to maybe see a bear. Still, the chances are pretty low. We are hearing gunshots, which means people are shooting. Well, no bears tonight, but we saw that 7-point, and I heard lots and lots of deer, so just didn't see them, but they're around, and they're moving, so that gets me excited for next week.
Dude, I'm gonna sleep out here tonight.
I'll come back in the morning and be just like that.
You guys are vaping.
What do you do?
Is he getting up?
Attempting to.
The cucumber.
He's metamorphosizing. Don't judge him. Watch him trip this. Man.
Silent night. Holy.
sound like Mac from Cars.
A
The
Big
Combine?
Mac? I'm a Big Mac.
I'm juicy.